to be a fashion designer since I was 7, and I put all of my eggs into one basket and said I want to go to Otis because Otis College of Art and Design was the best on the West Coast. I graduated in 1997. I took a little break because I was a mom, and quite frankly, that's more important. So now that my kids are grown, it's time again to let dreams become reality. So I started in 2012 with Perfect Pair. My designs were extremely elaborate back then, and with time they have narrowed themselves into a small niche of retro printed and fun. I grab things like film and old cameras and I make dresses out of it, and then I give it fun little names. Like this one specifically is called Film on Girls, take on Duran Duran's Girls on Film. And it was just an idea that I had that, hey, photographers will like this, kitschy people will like this. So today I thought I might show you guys a little bit of my process. I know there are many girls who want to be fashion designers when they grow up, and at least as someone who went to school, who worked in the industry a little bit, and now is trying to make this brand on my own, I have a process. It's a little old school. Now a lot of people do everything on computers, but I still have sketchbooks by the tons. I've got sketchbooks upon sketchbooks upon sketchbooks. I'm going to show you something that my instructor said never to show anybody. Fashion is a repetitive thing. Everything I've sketched has been done before. I'm taking from movies, I'm taking from life, I'm taking from nature, I'm putting them together. It's true that your brain probably doesn't work like my brain, so you might not put it together just like I did, but there's nothing new under the sun. So my model here is not a pear. She is a typical dress form. I have heard that you can buy pear-shaped dress forms now, but they jump one size, not two sizes. So that's really not much of a pear to me. Pears jump 2 or 3 sizes. She has no hips to fill this thing out. I can pull about 6 inches in her hips. And her booty looks very droopy. Oh, that's a sad booty. As you can see, my booty is not sad and not droopy. It is extremely filled out. Like I said, it's made for pear shapes. It accentuates our positives, but once you get right about here, it does some other things. I am blessed. I really like my pear shape, but it's just hard to find dresses. Booties are in right now, and I have to say thank you, J-Lo, Kim, Nicki Minaj, and many cartoons. Can I just say that pears rock in cartoons? So this one, like I said, is called Film on Girls. I have a very special friend of mine write little quips for each of them inside the tag that hangs on them, and she writes them for all of my dresses, and they're all very unique and special. So that is my process. At least from sketch to finished garment. I am very passionate about this because I want to embrace all forms. I happen to be a pear, so I've chosen the pear to embrace, but if you happen to be an apple, embrace your body. It's the way God created you. Don't try to be a different shape than what you are. Just find clothes that fit, like Perfect Pair.